So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a quadratic function using the quadratic formula. So in order to solve using the quadratic formula, you obviously need to know the quadratic formula. And before I continue, make sure you watch my past 3 videos, which I mentioned solving using square roots, factoring, and completing the square, which is the 3 other methods to find the roots of a quadratic function. So the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And that's what x equals. So remember that in the equation, a would be the first value, b is the second value, and c is the third value. So I'm going to use the same example I've probably used for all my other videos. So it's x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So the a value is 1, the b value is negative 2, and the c value is negative 3. So now it's really easy when you write it out because you just automatically plug it in. So negative b would be negative 2. And then plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac does. So that would be negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 3. And it is really important to add parentheses so you do not get mixed up with your math or any of your computations. So that is over 2a, which is 2 times 1. So you always want to do the discriminant first, and that discriminant is the one inside the square root. So negative 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 3 is 16, because 4 minus 4 times negative 3. So you get 2 plus or minus the square root of 16 over 2. So it's obviously plus or minus, that stays throughout. And you could simplify this. When you get the square root of 16, you get 2 plus or minus the square root of 4. Well, the square root is gone now, so it's 2 plus or minus 4 over 2. You could simplify this again to actually 1 plus or minus 2 over 1. But you don't need the over 1 anymore, so you just get this. So that's what x equals. So we know that x equals 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, and 1 minus 2. So x equals 3, and x equals negative 1. So these are the answers for this function. And as you can see, for all my 4 videos, I get the same answer, which means that no matter which way you use, it is correct. If you want to make sure that your answer is correct, you could just plug in these 2 values for x into this function, and you will definitely get it equal to 0. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys did not watch my past 3 videos, I teach you how to solve using square roots, factoring, and completing the square. So thank you guys for watching.